Welcome to the first episode of Improve Your Writing Daily, where we provide you best voice notes on how to improve your English writing easily. The sentence is a basic unit of the language comprising at least one independent verb with its subject. For example, Richard bought flowers. Here Richard is subject and bought is an independent verb. There are three types of sentences: simple sentence, compound sentence, and complex sentence. A simple sentence has a single independent clause. These sentences are effective when used to emphasize certain important ideas, to make simple, straightforward statements, or to break the monotony of a series of long, compound, or complex sentences. A compound sentence has two or more independent clauses joined by coordinate conjunctions like and, but, or. For example, Richard likes coffee, but Harry likes tea. Complex sentences consist of one independent clause with one or more dependent clauses. These dependent clauses are linked with the independent clause by subordinate conjunctions like while, because, since, although, etc. For example, Richard played indoors because it was raining. The dependent clauses may also be linked with the independent clause by relative pronouns like who or which. For example, I know the man who stole your pen.